Your hair isn't just dying, it's giving up, not because of genetics, but because of how you treat it every day. To start repairing your hair in just 7 days, follow these 5 habits. Stop overwashing, as daily washing strips away natural oils your scalp needs to stay healthy. Limit it to 2 or 3 times a week. Always rinse with cold water because hot water weakens roots and dries the scalp, while cold water locks in moisture and adds shine. Oil your hair properly using coconut or argan oil and massage it for 5 minutes to boost blood flow and repair damaged roots. Fix your diet with protein, eggs, nuts, and greens. Your hair grows from what you eat, not what you apply. And most importantly, get enough sleep, because your body heals overnight and your hair depends on that rest. In 7 days, you won't grow new hair, but you'll stop losing it. And that's where real recovery begins, with consistency, not expensive products.